To finish all these reports, blank impossible without proper planning is or are. Mag-ingat, baka malito kayo sa reports. Since plural siya, baka isipin nyo yung katabing verb, dapat plural agreement, pero hindi yung reports ang subject natin sa sentence na to. Subject natin dyan, to finish. Ito ay isang infinitive. Ang infinitive, to plus base verb yan. At kapag meron tayong infinitives as subject, singular sila lagi. So, ang tamang sagot dito ay is. To finish all these reports is impossible without proper planning. Kahit pa yung malapit na reports na to ay plural. Kasi again, hindi naman siya yung subject dyan. Part lang siya nung buong infinitive phrase na yan. Parang 'di ba yung to err is human, to forgive is divine. So, yung to err at yung to forgive, parehong infinitive yun. At singular yung ginamit na agreement.